Hey, what's going on, guys? Fall's best friend here, and today, welcome to another, I don't know, a video, like making a battle video. So, I freeze my, storm spriggan in there, as you can see, and then I, put the tip out because I thought it will put on a launcher, but I didn't think of this, you know, all the ice around there. But we're gonna battle not a lot, 3 Beyblades today. We're gonna battle Victory Valkyrie Dueler Beyblade. And then beat Kokoken, God Bay, and then Wizard Fafnir, GT Bay. So, let's get this battle started. I'm just gonna put it there, guys. So, Victory Valkyrie first. We're gonna do like 5 battles. This. Oh, children's eyes. Oh, look at his eyes. They're flying. Oh, here's some ice. Whoa. Okay, they didn't burst, which is a good sign, I think. Oh, I flew my eyes. Dude, it feels so good though. Okay, third battle, these two. Oh my god. Okay, fourth battle. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. What burst? If I didn't launch that, oh, it bursted again. Only one time it didn't burst. The other times, it burst a lot. Okay, fifth battle, which is the last battle. 3, 2, 1, go. Please don't burst. It's your last chance. Oh, yes! You can see. Okay, now we have beat Kokoken, which is the hardest hitter in my whole entire collection. So, yeah. I mean, Slash Valkyrie. This guy can burst Slash Valkyrie very easily. And the Achilles can destroy him. Oh my god. Look at my shoes! It's all like... Okay, why is this not working? Is the driver not performing right? Oh, because there's water. Okay, again. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Oh my god, guys. Oh my! Do you see the eyes though? Wait, let me zoom in. Let me zoom in real quick. Okay, there we go. Will this be good though? Will this be good though? Like, oh my god! So. Okay, I'll just do that. Okay, this is good now. My hand is so big. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Oh, you see that? You see that? You see that? Told you. So you can see the ice better. Yep. Is this the third battle or anything? See? Include the ice. There we go. Okay, let's chip more ice. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Oh, do you see that? I'm looking at the camera itself, and it's so like... I think this is the last battle. Okay, last battle. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Oh! That's just lame. I think you can just hear it, you know. Let's one more time, just one more time. Oh! It hit Storm Spriggan itself. Oh. Oh, he blocked it. Here we go. Just look at this. Dude, see? This is the crusher, man. This guy's the crusher. So I'm gonna zoom out real quick. Zooming out. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Okay, let's go. Now we have wizard stuff. Why did it just burst when I grabbed it? I have no idea why. Okay, we're gonna launch it, but I have a feeling this is gonna burst every time because, you know, oh shit. This is ice, man. This is so much ice. Wizard Fafnir, I think, is not gonna chip any ice. For sure. That's for sure. Once it's stamina type, and then when rubber touch ice, it won't do anything. Okay, Wizard Fafnir stops. Oh, we got 3 clicks. The first stop work again. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Oh, come on, man. I wish to stand up. Oh my god, look at this. Zoom in real quick. Oh my god, okay. Zoom out. Can I zoom out again? There we go. 3, 2, 1. Go shoot. Oh! Oh! What is... Wait, I saw like insect over here. I'm just... Okay, is that on? Okay. This is a wet video, man. This is so wet. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Oh, it's gonna burst. Hi. Oh, is it gonna burst or anything? Close the freaking door. It burst? No. Oh, oops. Sorry, guys. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Oh. Storm Spriggans? I feel bad for some Storm Spriggans. Stop opening the door. Close the door.
Yes.
Okay. So, my grandma's here because, I don't know, they came from China. They say Chinese. I'm born in America, so I don't say Chinese, I guess. But I learned some Chinese. Oh my. Okay. Oh! Hey, JK, I'm not born in America. Okay, last battle, and then we're gonna do like 2 rounds of beat Kokoken. Oh god, I'm gonna do this because... Oh, burst, okay. Beat Kokoken time! Let's go. 2 rounds, just 2 rounds, and that's it. Okay. Beat. We're not gonna zoom in because, as you can see, you know. Oh my! The blade of Storm Spriggan is already out. Oh my god. Okay. Now this is the moment I'm waiting for. The last battle. We're gonna put it right here. And we're gonna angle launch it. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! Did you guys see that? Wait. Oh my! Did you guys see that? Wait, let me show you later. What is going on right now? What? Wait, let me show you. This part is chipped. Oh my god, and this part. Hold on, look. Wait. Let me find it first. Ow. Oh! No! Dude! Oh, I couldn't show you. I'm fighting it, and then this part just fell. This ice just fell. Oh, man. Cocokin. So powerful. Do that again. Should we do that again? Do you want to see it, though? I want to see it. Oh! We're just destroying it. Look, so much ice. Look, look, look. I want to melt that one. No, this ice is already melting. Look at this ice. Look at how big is this ice. What? Where's the other ice? Okay, here you go. I'm just gonna, okay, I'm gonna put my camera here. And look at me. Look at me, look at me. Ready? Now, the ice is broken. Look at my stadium. Okay, here's the battle. I wish you subscribe, bro. Like, seriously. I wish you subscribe. And stay tuned for my Pokemon unboxing. We have the spoiler. Today I'm gonna do another video unboxing of you know the Pikachu card, the Detective Pikachu card. I got that, and then I got that, and then yeah, we're gonna unbox it today. Right, you hear that right? Today. So make sure to subscribe and turn on post notification because it's summer, guys. That's why I did this icy video, because it's summer. We need ice for summer. Ice cream, like swimming. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do another video of, like, you know, the water balloons, and then we're gonna my Beyblade versus like 2 or 3 instead of the pop. Are we gonna do it? Yeah, let's go. So make sure to stay tuned. Oh my god, I have so much things to tell you. I got shelter regulars too. So yeah, I'm gonna show you it right now. Oh god, it's right here, guys. Shelter regulars and the Pikachu. So stay tuned. Okay. Bye bye, guys. Boss Best Friend out.